In this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada Pay Later to cash. So to get started, go ahead and open Lazada on your device and sign in to your account. And here, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and search for gift away. So gift away is a voucher that you can buy on Lazada. A giveaway voucher is eligible for redeem on stores with connection to giveaway. And here, go ahead and select the e-gift, the Gcash e-gift that you want to buy and redeem on your Gcash account. So for example, this 1,000 pesos e-gift voucher, go ahead and click on that buy now button or that add to cart button to add this item to your cart. After that, go ahead and select payment method to Lazada Pay Later. So in this section, you'll be able to find a Lazada Pay Later payment method once you have the Lazada Pay Later activated. After this, go ahead and place the order for this e-gift. Now, once you have received this e-gift on your Gmail, you'll be able to receive a link from giveaway where you can actually redeem this e-gift voucher. So in this section, go ahead and enter your e-gift code along with your Gcash registered number. You can also enter your email. Check on the checkbox and click on the redeem button to redeem this e-gift on your account on Gcash. Now from Gcash, you can simply cash out the money by going to services that Gcash allows for cash outs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.